A short introduction to the Proton 4D application. After launching the application, the startup screen appears. There on the left side is the menu which can navigate through the application. On the right side are your created or imported projects. I want to bring your attention to the packs. You can import other packs created by other users. Packs can consist of materials or textures that can then be imported into any scene. Another important page is settings, where some properties can be changed and some useful information can be accessed. In order to create a project, we need to press the plus button. After creating the project, the editor appears. On the left side we have navigation, and on the right side we have tools through which we can create objects and work with them. First button presents a menu. From here an object or a Minecraft model can be imported. In addition to settings, there are also preferences that apply only to the currently open scene. Console is an important thing. Their errors will be shown if something goes wrong, and you can easily report that to us so we can fix it as soon as possible. Second button is responsible for layouts. Here you can choose one from the available layouts. Each layout will have their tools to work with. Next section, following the layout, has two buttons, undo and redo commands. Then follows the Textures Manager button. Here textures can be imported and then used in materials or in other places. After the Textures Manager follows the Materials Manager button. Here materials can be created, imported, or exported. The Create button will call a menu which brings the possibility to select which shader we want to use for created material. Next section is responsible for rendering. Before starting to work, we need to set up render settings. That can be done using the third button. In the working process, sometimes we need to see a preview of our scene, right? For that purpose exists pre-render. That can be using the first button. Once you are done with your scene, you need to render results and save them to the gallery. That can be done using the second button. When an object is created, it appears in the hierarchy. When one of them is selected, you can see and modify their properties in the inspector. Each object has its own properties and some base properties. That's all. Thanks for watching.